Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to grab text on image using no any other software, just using your Windows 11. That's really easy. What you have to do, you open your snipping tools that obviously it's supposed to be already installed previously on your automatically on your computer, on your PC or laptop. So you just find snipping tool. Here, snipping tool. And then, for example, I want to grab the text from random academic text from Google Image. So I will open it on a new tab. I will zoom it to make the tools more reliable. So I go back to the snipping tools. I click new. This is just ordinary screenshot like you usually done. And then go back to the snipping tools. As you can see, this is an option, new option from Windows 11. You can snipping tool now copy text from images. Once you've taken a screenshot, AI can scan your image for text to interact with. Got it. So I click this one, wait for a while, and then I can click copy all text and then do whatever you want to the text. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you visit to subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.